Today I'm going to show you how to make this super festive color block tumbler. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also check out the description box as I will have all the products I used in this tutorial linked below. I also have a link to my free Facebook group, and if you would like to push your skills to the next level, I also have a mentorship group where I go into way more detail in those tutorials, and they stay exclusive to the group as well. Let's get started on the tutorial. We're going to be using a 32-ounce plump from the Tipsy Magnolia. If you check the description box below, I also have a discount code for you, and I have just marked off with a ruler 2 inches and a little. I don't know the exact measurement, but that's just what it ended up to be, 2 inches and a little. Then I'm going to take those measurements and some painter's tape and tape off each section. I grabbed a paint color that is close to the glitter color that I'm going to apply, and I'm going to apply this green to the top and bottom section of my tumbler, and then I'm going to grab a red and paint the middle section. We'll come back to the 2 sections in between in a little bit. Grab your favorite glitter glue. Mine right now is Tumbler Epoxy's Epoxy Seal. It's really thick and it goes on really smooth, and also the adhesion is unmatched. We're going to take that and base coat the bottom with the glitter glue, and then we're going to apply this glitter color called Foliage. We're going to do the same thing to the top of our tumbler, and then we are going to immediately pull our tape while that glue is wet. If you let it dry kind of halfway, it will be a little stretchy, and all it will want to do is pull off your glitter with your glue. So you either have to pull it while it's wet or let it dry completely, which sometimes the dry time is like hours. So I just like to pull my tape while it's wet. Now we're going to take that glitter glue and apply it to our red section. Then we are going to coat it with the glitter color called Red Glare. I am loving this color palette. It is a little bit softer, kind of more of those vintage Christmas than the bright red and green in your face Christmas. And I just love it so much. If you guys haven't tried my glitter before, give it a try. It is some of the highest quality glitter on the market, but it's not with that expensive price tag. I work really hard to put the savings back into the pocket of the creators as well. We are going to remove the rest of our tape and paint the last 2 sections white. We are going to let that dry fully, and then we're going to come back with our glitter glue, and I actually mixed a little bit of paint in here just so I had that really good white coverage, and then we're going to apply the color Iceberg. Go ahead and seal your tumbler and make sure it's fully dry. And then you are going to add enough epoxy layers to your tumbler that your tumbler is smooth. We are going to be using this vinyl, which it is called Holiday Cheer, and it's on a clear backing, so just the black parts will show up really good and your glitter will be exposed underneath. We have cut 2 strips at the same size of our white strips. So that's about 2 inches and a little. And then we are going to apply this clear vinyl to both white sections. Have cut out 4 vinyl strips in this metallic gold, and we're going to place that in between each glitter color. I decided to add some small words just at the base of my tumbler. I chose this Be Merry SVG. This was one of the SVGs that was included in my mentorship group as a benefit of being a member. After I applied that, I just added a layer of epoxy to my tumbler. And here is our festive tumbler all finished. This one's super adorable and definitely screams Christmas to me. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you try any of my products or watch any of my tutorials and try my techniques or tips and tricks, make sure you tag Diamonds and Dust.